the horse on 7. I do declare, there were times when I was so lonesome I took some.
She could probably outdance all of us. And I'm laying out my winter clothes and wishing I was going home. Where the New York City winters are not leading me. Leading me. Going home. Going home to our bed down by the river. In the clearings and the boxer and the fire by his straight, and he carries the reminders of every book that played in town of Hudson till he cried out his anger and his shame. I am leaving, but the fire is still raging. I want to be like her. I do. Why are you dancing with her? Will you dance with me? Come on. Let's dance.
Horse. Had a lot of fun messing with Sheila. A few years back, I was always messing with Sheila.